Hi, my name is Michelle Garcia. I'm the manager of community organizing at Access Living. Access Living is a center for independent living for people with disabilities. We provide advocacy and supports from supporting people getting out of nursing homes to getting them personal assistance and care in their homes, and advocacy around healthcare, immigration, employment, and housing, to name a few. We do also policy work around reentry for those who are people with disabilities, reentering from incarceration back into society. And we also do policy around economic justice and education. Access Living was a very proud partner when developing the CityKey because we were involved in the very planning stages of the CityKey, and it's opened up the opportunity for our consumers to access the city of Chicago in many ways. And we are a proud partner of the CityKey, the city clerk's office.